Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about TMC recruitment of 2021. Please stick on to the end of this video so that you will not miss any of the important information which will be provided here.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are the basic details that you have to know. The organization name is Tata Memorial Center. The post names are as follows: Nursing Superintendent, Assistant Superintendent, In Charge, Scientific Officer, Medical Physicist, Engineer SB, Scientific Officer, Scientific Assistant B for Radiotherapy, Foreman for Civil Branch, Pharmacist, Technician, Assistant Administrative Officer, and the total number of vacancies for the most mentioned are 17. The starting date for application is on 8th of March and the last date for applying is 31st of March. You can apply through online and the job location will be in Uttar Pradesh. Here is the official website. You can always check it out if you need further details. And now moving on to the vacancies in particular posts. For the post of Nursing Superintendent, there are only one vacancy. For Assistant, 2. For In Charge post, there is only one vacancy again. 2 vacancies in each for Scientific Officer and Medical Physicist. 1 in each for Engineering SB and Scientific Officer, as well as 1 vacancy for Scientific Assistant B for Radio Diagnosis. For Scientific Assistant B Radiotherapy, there are 2 vacancies. For Foreman Civil, there is 1, and for Pharmacist, again there is 1 vacancy respectively. Again, 1 in each for Technician and Assistant Administrative Officer as well. Moving on to the education requirement, candidates whoever are applying, please note that you should have MSc in Nursing or BSc Nursing, MSc full-time, BE or BTech, BSc B Pharmacy, SSc, HSc, any graduation in the relevant field of study or discipline, but it should be from a recognized university or institution or board of education will be much preferred. Here is the minimum age and the maximum age limit which the candidate should have. The minimum age for applying is 30 years of age and maximum is 45 years of age. And here is the pay scale details. Minimum pay scale is rupees 25,000 and the maximum can go up to 67,000 respectively. Here is the application fees. Candidates whoever are willing to apply for the post, you can apply, and according to the category the charges will be varying. For general category it is rupees 300, and for SC, ST and female candidates are exempted to pay any sort of application fee, so it is for free for all of those candidates. You can apply. The selection process, the officials will be intimating the applicants for the interview or written examination or the skill test on the basis of the information provided by them in the online application form respectively. Here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description, so don't forget to check it out and get the direct access of the link to apply for the desired and eligible post. Or you can also head over to Google and search for TMC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Click on the Freshers Now website and get all the information at one place. Furthermore, if you have any questions for us to answer, place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.